Today I will be making egg biryani. So colorful, so tasty, and it's really yummy. And this we I made for Hyderabadi style, totally dum how we make for the chicken dum biryani or the mutton biryani, anything of Hyderabadi, one of its kind. And this procedure is completely same way, 25 minutes of dum cooking. Anything in the Hyderabadi cuisine, you make any biryani, it should be within 25 minutes of cooking time after putting on for dum. Like this kind of handi, if you put dum, it will take 5 minutes of heating and then 25 minutes of dum. So let's start making this egg biryani Hyderabadi dum style. And welcome to Jayasree Kadai Katha. See how beautiful and colorful and long grain, unbroken and long. You can see the rice so long and beautiful, and the flavor is authentic Hyderabadi dum biryani. So, see, so colorful rice, yellow, white, all mixed up, and I put dum aloo biryani, some soya, and egg. This is the main ingredients of this biryani. So, sit tight and see how we make this biryani. Okay, so let's make dum egg biryani. I put dum aloo, small size baby aloo, put it for boiling. I put 4 eggs for 10 minutes of cooking time for the eggs. I am chopping, or rather, I am making juliennes of onion into fine julienne. I've taken medium size 2 onions, and you have to cut it so well sized, and it should be cooking not more thicker or less thinner. It should be equally sized because when you fry it, it has to become really golden color. And I've soaked some soya in regular cold water, and I've soaked biryani rice, that is 200 grams of biryani rice for 2 people. I'm putting for rice, boiling the rice, so I'm putting little salt, extra salt, 3 turmeric, 3 cardamom, 1 star, and few cloves and cinnamon sticks. And I'll fry the onions in oil till golden. The water has started boiling. The rice soaking has been completed for half an hour. Then I put rice for boiling, and in the meantime, the onions is also fried. You can see how beautifully golden color. Once done, we'll remove it. Then the potato what has been put in the water is also ready. We will fry that potato also. And before that, we'll be frying the eggs. I put little salt, little turmeric in the medium hot oil, little spicy chili powder, then all the 4 eggs, and fry it till well browned all the place, all the sides. You have to remove when the coloration, the frying, that effect comes to the or the to the eggs. Till the time you have to fry. Slowly and steadily do it. And the rice, you have to see that it is 60% done. When it reaches 60 to 70%, then you will remove the rice. See this side, uh, eggs also got fried. Now I'm removing it. Now I'll put the potatoes, baby potatoes or the dum potatoes which have been boiled with salt and turmeric and little soya chunks which has been soaked in the water, and we'll put it for stir fry till it becomes well colored. In the another side of the pan, cold pan, I'm putting yogurt or curd, salt to taste, little of this is coriander powder, then the cumin powder, red chili, spicy red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, turmeric powder little bit, and biryani masala. I'm not adding garam masala. Today I'm putting biryani masala. So, and green chili, ginger, garlic paste. This is green chili, ginger, garlic paste, which has been made into fine paste in a blender. And little kasuri methi, and golden fried onions which have been deep fried in the oil, and I'm putting the onions in this yogurt or curd mix. Then lemon juice, we have to remove the seed which has fallen in that, and mix it nicely. Then few sprigs of coriander chopped, fried potatoes, then fried soya chunks, extra liquid, nicely mix it, check the seasoning, and you have to put the eggs too. This liquid what you are seeing is not enough, so I'll be adding some more liquid to it so that the length what we are looking for the biryani it will come. Some more water is very much required. See, when you make biryani it has to be thin like this, not very thick. This is the trick and tips of Jayasree Kadai Katha. It should be very thin. Now put the rice layer wise. And one more trick is there, I'll show you what is that. Okay, this nobody will say, but I will tell you how to do it. Stick to the channel, and you will become a big chef once. Or you can be like show some impressions within your friends, families, that you can do easily. So biryani, when you spread it 70% cooked rice on the layering, once that is done, then this is the trick. You have to put from the back of the spoon or the for this thing and put the rice. Let make some gap in between, so the excess liquid it will give come on top of the rice, and when you cook it the rice will not get mashed with the joining place. So like where liquid is there, rice is there, it should not get mashed in that area. So cooking has to be everywhere with the steam, and it should be looking so good, and it should not break. The rice should not break. So whenever you put the biryani rice, you have to do like this. And and yellow color I'm putting one side, so that when you mix with the white rice, the yellow rice, and the color, it looks little more colorful. I'm putting little more brown onion on top, and I'm taking a wet cloth. I'm not using any atta or maida dough, so that will put everything on the dum. Rather, I'll be taking a wet cloth. Now I'm putting little ghee on top of it, and see, all the tips and tricks are here in Jayasree Kadai Katha. Little saffron, and I put the fire, put the biryani pan, then put the wet cloth on top. I'm showing you because the heat has to be full when you cook biryani. It should not be slow, but you can always control the fire when before putting the yeah. Now we will put the lid, then fold it back, all the cloth on top, and on full fire for 5 to 7 minutes max to max. When you touch the lid, and you should get the full heat on top of the lid. When you get that, immediately reduce. Yeah, this way. Now from this time, it is 20 to 25 minutes, not more than that. Without any tawa, you can just keep it and see the timer, put an alarm, and when time's up, you take it out. Take it out means you put it off. After putting off, keep another for 5 minutes, then ready to serve. This is the overall customized dum. See, 25 minutes over, I put the close the fire, and after 5 minutes or 10 minutes of putting the fire, opening the lid. See how beautiful the biryani is looking. The rice is well separated, and see how beautiful the rice looks. And we'll be doing the presentation on a black plate with the biryani rice, and with the sides it will be we will be putting the sides of raita and onion slice, and you can always have it with lemon wedge together. Okay, and I've already given the recipe at the back. Any doubt whatsoever, you can follow, and If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And bye bye for now. Happy egg biryani making and sharing. Sharing is caring, man. Thank you. Bye bye for now.